Hi guys, Niaje. Now I make custom rugs. On today's video, you guys, we made custom anime rugs, and if you are a fan of is it Cartoon Network or wherever this cartoon character was, then you know this is the character Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. Okay, and on today's episode, guys, we made four rugs. Okay, one was Stitch, as you can see here, and Stitch actually really took a lot of time. Why? Because he had a lot of details. Okay, they were small, they were minor, not a big difference, but he kind of ended up taking time, but I really loved how he ended up turning out, guys. Yes, and guys, if you're interested in customizing your own anime rug, like for yourself, your room, your wall hanging, bedroom, bathroom, studio, B&B, I got you covered because I make custom rugs all the way from scratch using the help of a tufting gun. And also, if you're interested in learning how to make your such wonderful, if not amazing, rugs for yourself, your business, and guys, I also got you covered because I also have tufting classes that you can come to learn. No experience required, and yeah. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, like it, tell a friend about my work, my rugs, and stay tuned. So enjoy the rest of this lovely video of how I made all four of them. The tapping part, yes, so stay tuned, guys.
Iloko, iloko, iloko,